And we are in front of an interesting 2025 Chausson F&S, looking at the new standard Fiat Ducato chassis straight in front. They call it family approved. And going on this side, we are checking out the actual specs and final price that looks in about only 64,725 for this F&S line from Fiat Chausson 2025. Seats 5, eats 5 and sleeps 5 with all the specs for the bedding right up here. The weight is 3 tons. Well, shall be entering inside. Okay, so as we are looking this van, we have the slide outs for outer compartments, so when you are on a hot, chilly night, you can access some of the things from the outside. One gas bottle for 5 kilos, but the main highlight of this van is the interior. So firstly, we are looking at a standard Fiat Ducato for the 2025, manual controls for the climate and actual shifter. Then we have this upholstery for the sitting. We have no upper storage space, just these small ones on each side. We have the pop-up roof with 2 separate actual pretty big mattresses, and on the lower part we have a long cabinets for your belongings, but this is now the part that I like the most. We have this wide sitting area with foldable actual extendable table, and this means that you can sit here 5 people and drive them around, and also you have a wide actual living room space when you are actual parked. And then you have the standard 2 burner stoves, and from this part you have the sink, 3 cabinets for your kitchen were right down there, not bad at all, and then a big cabinet compartment right up here. Then after that we are looking at the TED for standard fridge of 90-liter with freezer, of course it's small but you have it, and under it a small deep cabinet. And now the interesting situation, we have a separate shower unit that actually pretty big, and I will be entering, so you get the point. Yep. And I will be closing myself in, and that's the actual space. So getting out, you are actually supposed to open the actual part where you enclose yourself in, and then you have the sink and the TED for cassette toilet with a lot of cabinets on the upper part. And the great part, you have 2 child beds, let's say child beds on the back, one on the upper part and one on the lower part, measuring approximately, let's measure it, 1.7, and it's about to the door 1.8 or 0.8, sorry, and almost the same size for the lower bed, slightly bigger because we don't have this part right here. Great for actually a family of 5 people. That's actually unbelievable. Yes, you can make a bed right up here for the 5th person. And exiting around, going on the back, we shall be looking at a pretty limited amount of storage space because you have 2 beds on the back side with an additional shower unit hookup connection right up there. And I think that you can get also hot water. But this is the space for the garage if you want to have this van. And from the larger part, from this side, we are looking at 1.6, and from the inside we are looking at 1.9, and measuring this part 0.8, and also you have 2 additional cabinets right up here with the Truma heating system on the lower part. Closing off in style. As the actual Messe is starting to open, it's almost 10 o'clock, yeah. And this is another look.